Hi guys, welcome to this video on Cryptic Indian, and today I'm going to show you how to stake a popular crypto token named Matic. Now I'm not going to talk much about Matic token or Polygon network. Specifically, we mostly know how much the team have achieved in the last 6 months. So Polygon network or Polygon framework works around Ethereum compatible blockchain networks. It is faster, it is cheaper, and it is trying to resolve the high gas fee related issues related to ERC based transactions, that is crypto transactions on Ethereum blockchain. Now the best thing is Matic or Polygon is an Indian based blockchain startup, and its token, that is Matic, is now a top 20 coin on CoinMarketCap. And we are going to see how to stake Matic for decent returns. For Matic staking, we are going to use Binance exchange. Now if you don't have Binance account, you can sign up with the referral link provided below. Or if you have a Binance account but you do not hold Matic over there, no worries. You can transfer your Matic tokens from any other Indian exchange wallet over to your Binance wallet. You may refer to my other videos on how to easily transfer cryptocurrencies. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, watch the video till the end, and in case if you have any questions, put it down in the comment section and I'll surely get back to you. Alright, so I'm logged into my Binance account and I am currently on the home screen, and I'll go to wallet and select fiat and spot, click on it. It will load my wallet screen, and on my wallet screen let me search for Matic. Alright, so I see Matic, and towards the right you can see that all the action items related to Matic are displayed, one of which says earn. Now most of these actions like buy, deposit, trade are pretty self-explanatory. So if we click on earn, it presents three options, which are liquid swap, flexible savings, and lock staking. Now liquid swap is nothing but liquidity mining, where you have to stake Matic with same or equivalent amount of a pairing token. It could be Ethereum or BTC or USDT. Then we have flexible savings, but our focus here is on lock staking. But before that, flexi savings give interest per 1000 tokens and the return percentage is very low. So what we will be doing is we will be doing lock staking, and let me click on lock staking option, the staking screen, and I will search with Matic. Alright, so here we have Matic, and you can see that the minimum locked amount required is 1 token or 1 Matic, and we have 3 duration periods, 30 days, 60 days and 90 days, and we have the corresponding APY or the annual percentage yield displayed. So for 30 days it is 11.34, for 60 days it's 12.20, it keeps on increasing, and for 90 days it's 14.09. but here we can also see that the 90 days option is already sold out, so we will not be able to do the lock staking for 90 days duration. So we have to choose in between 30 and 60. But before that, what is estimated APY? APY is annual percentage yield. It is the return on your staked Matic. In simple calculation, it means that if you have staked for say 1000 Matic tokens, and if the APY displayed or estimated is around 11%, let's take 11.34. So for 1 year your return would be 113.4 Matics, and if you want to calculate a daily or a weekly or a monthly return, you can just divide it by 365 or by 52 or by 12, and that would be your exact return or an estimated return. I prefer the 30 days option due to the shorter time period. You can go for 60 or 90 if they are available at that point. So what I'll do is I'll select 30 and then click on stake now, and it will take me to the lock staking details screen, and on this screen there are a lot of details mentioned. I'll quickly go through each of them. So first we have the type, that is locked, which means that you will not be able to use your Matic tokens during that period. You won't be able to trade. with that amount, and then we have the duration options, which we have already seen, 30, 60 and 90 days. And here we have to enter the amount of token that you wish to lock. So I have around 193.99 Matic on my Binance wallet, and I'll go all in. So I'll click on max, and as you enter the amount on this particular field, towards the right you can notice that the estimated interest got updated, and now it displays 1.80807455 Matic, which means that after the lock-in period or at the time of maturity, this is the amount of Matic that I am going to receive as return based on the estimated APY calculation of 11.34%. In simpler terms, it means that after the lock-in period, I will be getting back this amount, that is the amount that I am staking, and adding this amount. So this is my interest, and the cumulative amount would be reflected or credited to my Binance Matic wallet. And here the locked amount limitation, we already know that the minimum amount should be 1 token and the maximum is around 500,000 Matic tokens. And if we come to the summary part, we have the stake date, which is today's date, or on the day that you are going to start the stake locking or confirm it. So today is 1st of August, so this would be the stake date for me, and the value date is +1, which would be tomorrow's date. The interest period frequency is 1 day. The interest end date would be exactly 30 days from today, that is 1st of September, and the redemption period is 1 day, and the redemption date is +1 from that would be 3rd of September. So it means that if today, that is the 1st of August, if I start my staking commences from tomorrow, and on 3rd of September the staking period ends, and that is when I will be receiving the principal plus the interest on my Binance Matic wallet at 0.0530 hours. And here there is a disclaimer which says that the APY is adjusted daily based on on-chain staking rewards, and the specific APY is subject to the page display on the day. So if you are okay with all of these, this should be unchecked and you have to check it. So once you check it, the confirm purchase button will be enabled, and if you are okay with all of this, you can simply select on confirm purchase. For staking details, you have to go back to Binance home screen, wallet, click on earn, and we have an option called lock staking. You click on this, and here we have locked. I'll click on locked, and as you can see, we have Matic as the first row. So I have some other lock staking going on. So let's focus on Matic, and you can see the details of my lock staking. So I locked around 93.99 Matic. This is my APY. The subscription date is today's date. The lock period is 30 days. The interest end date is 1st of September. Accrued days is 0 days because today is the day when I started it. So from tomorrow the accrued days would be counted because tomorrow is my value date, and this would be 0 obviously, and the estimated next distribution is 0.06, which would be 1 day from tomorrow's date, 1 day from the value date, and interest period is 1 day, and we have an option to redeem earlier, but I won't be doing that, and the status is on holding. So this holding status would change after your locking period ends on this date. Alright, so this is how you can stake Matic. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.